Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the column or range to clean. Select it and work on a backup copy so mistakes are reversible. Once selected, convert the range into an Excel table with Ctrl+T to retain formulas and references while removing entries. Make sure headers are correct. This guides Excel's tools. Next, open the Data tab and keep the table selected so the built-in Remove Duplicates tool operates precisely on the intended columns. You now run the Remove Duplicates command from the Data tab and inspect the dialog carefully. Choose the specific columns that define a duplicate. If an entry is identical across multiple columns, check all of those columns. Make sure My Data Has Headers is toggled correctly so Excel ignores header rows. Once done, click OK. Excel will report how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique values remain, so you know the exact outcome. You finish by validating results. Apply conditional formatting to highlight duplicates visually, then sort or filter to inspect any suspicious rows. If duplicates persist, they're often caused by stray spaces or non-printing characters. Run formulas like trim and clean or use find and replace to remove extra spaces. Make sure to rerun Remove Duplicates after cleaning. If something went wrong, revert to your backup and repeat the steps more selectively. This prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.